Bonjour tout le monde. Aujourd'hui, on va discuter par rapport au festival et célébrations en France. Okay, so today we discuss about festival and celebration in France. So, the celebration in France, they basically celebrate the 14th July, the day of the French Revolution. So it basically marked the beginning and is the most important national holiday in France because it features military parade, firework, and public festivity. Okay, and we have also what is called Cannes Film Festival. Donc en français, on parlera de Festival de Cannes. Okay, so it held annually in May. This prestigious international event showcased the best in global cinema and drew celebrity, director, and media from around the world. So the major festival, we have the festival of the 14th July, La Fête Nationale. We have the Carnival in Nice. Okay, we have Fête de la Musique on the 21st June. And we have also Christmas, which is Fête de Noël. Okay, what are the major French festivals? We have preserving cultural heritage, strengthening community bond, boosting the economy, celebrating regional identity, religious and seasonal significance, entertainment and leisure, promoting French tradition worldwide, and encouraging creativity and art. Okay, so when it comes to the Bastille Day is basically the national day, which is still on the 14th July. So it's celebrated all across France, especially Paris, at what we call Champs-Élysées or Eiffel Tower. Okay. And Bastille Day is basically on every 14th July of the year. Okay. So it's basically celebrate the storming of the Bastille, okay, marking the start of the French Revolution. So it symbolizes liberty, equality, and fraternity. Okay. So the tradition says that on that day, we always have a military parade, we have a firework, we have concerts, we have communal dancing, we have bal, we have we call bal populaire, and also we have public celebration. So the Bastille Day is celebrated not just in France, but also by the French community around the world. Okay, so the Eiffel Tower fireworks show in France is one of the most spectacular in Europe. So the military parade on the Champs-Élysées is the oldest and the largest in Europe, dating back to 1880. So citizens often participate in balls, the Pompiers or Firemen Ball, popular neighborhood dance party. Okay, and the storming of the Bastille prison in 1789 involved only 7 prisoners, but symbolized the fall of the royal tyranny. You know, when it comes to the festival, the Cannes Film Festival, so it's celebrated at Cannes, basically in French Riviera, and also it happened always in May at the last about 12 days. Okay, so why is it important? It's one of the most prestigious, one of the world's most prestigious film festival that celebrate global cinema and promote artistic excellence. Okay, so the tradition say we have a red carpet screening on the internal film, celebrity appearance, and the awarding of the Palm d'Or, which is the gold palm. Okay, so we have the red cap is something. The red cap premiere is basically one of the most important um, part of that event. Festival de Cannes. Okay, we have also other festivals that are important in France. We have Fête de la Musique. So Fête de la Musique is on the 21st June. It's a national world celebration where musicians are all kind perform in streets, park, and public space. And we have the Nice Carnival, basically happening in February. It's one of the world's largest carnival featuring parade, And we have flower battles and vibrant costume. We also have the Festival d'Avignon, okay, which happened in July. So it's a major performing arts festival, which theater, dance, and music in historic location. So moving forward, we have the La Fête des Lumières, which happened in Lyon. Okay, it's a spectacular light festival illuminating building and monument across the city. Okay, and we have the Christmas market, which always happen in December, held in city like Strasbourg and Colmar, featuring traditional craft, food, and also festive decoration. For the greetings, when you want to say Merry Christmas to someone, you say Joyeux Noël. When it comes to the Bastille Day, you say Joyeux 14 juillet à tous. When you want to say Happy New Year, is Bonne année. When you want to say Happy Easter, is Joyeuse Pâques. So, Merry Christmas for Joyeux Noël. Bonne année for Happy New Year. Joyeuse Pâques for Happy Easter. Bonne fête nationale for Happy Bastille Day. Bonne fête, happy celebration, happy holiday. Meilleur vœu for best wish. Félicitations for congratulation. Félicitations for congratulation. And bonne fête de fin d'année for happy end of the year holiday. So we'll have a whole play where you can, let's say you met your girlfriend on a New Year day, and you want to wish him happy birthday. Okay. So bonjour, comment vas-tu, joyeux et bonne et heureuse année à toi, tous mes meilleurs vœux, et que cette année soit une année de succès, de bienfait. Okay, so that we would have played together. And also they explain what happened, they explain the Bastille Day to your friend. So as we studied, the Bastille Day is basically happen always on the 14th July and represent the French freedom from the tyranny. And that day is basically marked by the military work, the firework, and also it's by the end of the day, there is the neighborhood that celebrates with the fireman ball. Okay. Merci tout le monde. On va s'en arrêter là aujourd'hui et je suis ravi de vous voir la prochaine fois.